Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Bitcoin, of course. We'll do a full update. We got a huge bullish move overnight, or at least overnight for me. Might have been in the evening for you. Could be in the morning as well. No, it cannot really be in the morning, except for maybe in Japan. But alright, we'll do a full update. I'll tell you everything you need to know. Bitcoin right now, very bullish, but I know most of you watching right now will probably be very bullish and are not going to like what I'm going to say, but I'm not sure yet, alright? I'm still a little bit scared, and I have multiple reasons for that, which I will explain in this video. But before we dive into that, and before I tell you everything you need to know, hopefully, I do want to remind you and also tell you, if you're new to the channel, then welcome. I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. But you can also gain access to a trading guide and my and a chat room full of traders, very valuable. Some of the trades we caught are this Automata from here to here, CRV we are still in from here, a lever we actually caught from all the way down here. So it's going pretty well. I mean, it's like I said as well. I mean, most of our trades right now are long, so I am happy with this bullish momentum. It's just, of course I am, but it's just that right now, to dive into the video, the dollar strength index is still super bullish. Like, sure, we found some resistance last week. Apart from that, still super bullish. And most of this bullish momentum that we've seen for Bitcoin, not everything, but most of it, all happened with probably like one transaction. Here you can see, or a couple of ones, but here you can see that in a matter of 5 minutes, $800 million in volume was added. That's probably about a buy order of $500 million. That's one entity or something doing that, right? So that's, for me, I personally like when it's an uptrend, like it was, for example, last week or at the end of last week. So what that means is that, sure, that can happen, but it could also happen the other way as quickly as it went up, right? So that's why I'm still pretty afraid. It's also the beginning of a new month, which usually is very volatile, like very volatile both ways. So personally, I'm just waiting for that confirmation. Like, we did talk about the possibility of this happening yesterday. I did not expect this. I do want to stress that. I thought we would find resistance at 27,500. But now the main question is, like, Bitcoin is heading up towards 28,400 and 28,700, which is the main resistance level right here, as you can see. Also very respected, so it will probably respect that level as well. But it's going to drop down to those, or it's going to go up to those levels, and then what we'll have to see is we'll have to see what happens in the next 24 hours. Like, the volume will probably increase even more. It's at 12, 13 billion right now. Will probably increase towards 15, 16 billion. And we'll have to see where that brings us. Tomorrow today we have some economic numbers in the manufacturing PMI coming out. Tomorrow we'll have the JOLTS job openings, which is going to be very important. And that was also what caused, I believe, this move right here at the end of August. So that was also the end of the month. Usually the end and the beginning of the month are very volatile. So we'll have to wait for that. For now, I would say Bitcoin technically is very bullish, right? I mean, there's nothing you can argue against that. Technically, Bitcoin is bullish, and that's why I also expect it to continue going up towards 28,400 and 28,700. I'd say because of the strength that we're seeing right now, there's about a 20% chance that we break above 28,700 instantly and move up towards 29,500. It's a possibility. It's not what I expect. For now, I expect that we'll get up there. We'll find resistance, drop down towards like 28,000, maybe even 27,600. And there, depending on the economic results and depending on the movement in the next 24 hours, Bitcoin will either remain bullish, which at this point of time, I mean, we must be honest, does look like the most likely scenario, or it will drop down. And I'll keep you updated on that, of course, as well as possible. But for now, that's my preliminary analysis. So if you do have any questions as well, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and have a great and profitable week.